Good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Roma and today we're gonna finish off our Disney Princess makeup tutorials. So this was just really fun and it was some really easy makeup looks. This one, of course, is inspired by Belle, the Disney Princess Belle from Beauty and the Beast. So these are the colors that I've chosen. We've got Biscotti, Gold Status, and Mahogany for the eyes. On the cheeks, we're going to be using Shy Blush, and for the lips today, we're going to be using Rosewood. So, are you ready for it? So, blank canvas, we've got our foundation on, I've got my eyebrows done already, and we are going to start with our all-over eyeshadow brush. We're going to start, and we're going to do a really simple look. We're going to start with Biscotti, which is our lightest color, and we're going to put this everywhere above the crease. So if you are not sure where your crease is, best thing to do is take your pinky finger, feel that groove above your eyeball. That is your crease. Okay, some people's eyelid folds differently than the crease. So it might be a little bit above, might be a little bit below, but that groove is what we're talking about when we say the crease. So this Biscotti color is just going to go everywhere above the crease in kind of a nice wash. We're just going to lay it out. Kind of an arc. And go right into the corner of your eye. Even if it's very similar to your skin color, you can see for me it is. It will just sort of even everything out. So it may feel like it's just extra color that isn't really necessary, but it does even things out and smooths things out as well. So it makes it a little bit fresher look. Then we're going to take Gold Status. This is one of my favorite colors. Super pretty because it's a gold shimmer. And it is going to go on the lid part. So everything below the crease, from the lash line to the crease. Super nice. So we can really see that gold shimmer. Beauty. Then I am going to use our smudger brush. I like this one for in the crease. And we're going to be using a color that we have. It's a matte brown color. It's called Mahogany. This color does have quite a big bit of pigmentation to it. So do be careful when you place it. I like to start in the outer corner and basically just lightly back and forth brush strokes right in that crease. Don't get all crazy if it doesn't look right. So you can see that there's a little bit there, didn't go as smoothly, seems to have a little bit of a gap because I'm a little bit more mature. My eyelids fold a little bit easier than when they did when they were younger. They're not as tight. So sometimes we get those gaps. You know what? We're not even going to worry about it. We're not even going to address it right now. So don't fret. Don't try fixing everything right now. Perfect. And then we want to put this just in the outer corner as well. I like to use our crease brush for this. I'm just going to get some of that mahogany color and I'm just going to press it on to that outer corner, just like that. These bristles are a little bit firmer, so they do really well when you're doing something like this, just pressing the color on. Perfect. And then we're going to take our new blending brush. I love this because the bristles are nice and soft and a bit fluffy. And this is where we're going to blend. So we're just going to go over that crease again. And you can see that little part where it seemed to miss some color, totally blended right in. So not even anything to worry about. We're going to do the other side. Super simple. And then we're going to add some liner. If you want to stay with something subtle, like I always think of Belle as she was more into her books than her looks, so a dark brown liner would be really nice with this. I'm going to use our liquid liner because I do like it and it's nice and simple. And I have it here for a demo. But a dark brown would be really nice. And I'm not going to get crazy, no wings or anything this week. Just a nice, simple upper lash line. Now again, some people stress about how their line looks. So I don't want you to stress about that either. You can see that my line isn't perfect. It's got wider spots and narrower spots. What you can do, here's a really good trick. This is our brow and liner brush. It's got the spoolie on the end to shape out your and smooth out your eyebrows. And then this line part, if you hold it sideways, you can actually smooth out your line. Honestly, once you get your mascara on, your liner at your roots of your lashes isn't seen all that much anyhow, so it doesn't need to be perfect. But I've seen women, they just go nuts and they'll spend tons of time on their eyeliner making sure it's perfect. But we're going to use an Ultimate Mascara today. Like I said, I always feel like Belle was not so much about her looks, more about the book. So she would use probably something very easy and subtle, and this is always a great basic mascara option for your mascara wardrobe. Kind of your everyday mascara. It's a great starter mascara if you haven't experienced Mary Kay products before. It's the Ultimate Mascara, and it actually comes in black. It also comes in brown black. So for sometimes when you're a little bit more mature, then you don't want that dramatic black mascara, so that brown black is actually just a touch softer. So there we have our eye look for our Belle inspired look. Then we're going to take our cheek brush, which has an edge to it, and we're going to take that round part, we're going to put it on the Shy Blush. So this is a great cheek color for any skin color, okay? I love this. It's actually sort of a basic neutral. Just lightly circle on the apple of your cheeks, move along your cheekbone. I know it looks quite loud in the palette, but it's actually doesn't need to be loud, right? It's all in that brush control as well. And if you're scared of too much color, just start with just a wee little bit and you can add layers, right? Until it gets to the place where you want it. So see, it's not loud at all, just a little bit of extra color. And then I chose this rosewood color of our lipstick because it's a nice neutral. Again, it's almost nude, but it'll just give some color to our lips. Again, as you get more mature, your lip color actually starts to disappear, the pigmentation in your lips. So it's nice to have something that is actually sort of reminiscent of your, just your regular lip color. So that is our rosewood lipstick, and that is our Belle inspired makeup look for today. It's really, really great neutral makeup look if you're scared of loud colors. It's just soft and pretty. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you had fun, and I hope you had fun with our Disney princess looks as well.